Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. This could be very helpful if you try to leave the platform for a very short period of time but you don't want to delete your content or your data. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Now the first thing I want you to do is to click on the lower right corner on your profile picture. Then when you're at your profile, I want you to click on the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. When you're at your settings and privacy menu, I want you to click on settings and privacy. Now, with the recent update of Meta, all we gotta do is to click on the first option, which is Account Center. When you're at Account Center, I want you to scroll down to the section Accounts Settings and pick the second option, which is Personal Details. When you're at Personal Details, I want you to click on the last option, which is Account Ownership and Control. When you're over here, you will be able to click on either deactivate or delete your account. So the main difference between both options, of course, is that when you delete your account, you will have 30 days to recover it. This means that you have to request your information and your data, if you really want it, in advance before clicking delete. You have to request the data and the information, and Meta will process the data and the information, and they will need 3 to 5 days. So you want to make sure that you request and collect your data prior clicking the delete button. If you want to deactivate the account, very simple. When you click on this function, deactivation or deletion, you will be forwarded to a page where you will see all of your Instagram pages, all of your Instagram accounts, Facebook pages, and you will be able manually to select which account you want to deactivate. Now, when you deactivate your account, no one will be able to find your account, even if they know your handle. When account is deactivated, essentially you have a curtain in front of your account. Only the people that currently following you, they will still have the access to the content that you publish, but they will not be able to message you. When they try to send you a message, they will get an automatic reply or notification from Instagram that your account has been deactivated, and they will not be able to contact you, which I believe it's okay if you're looking for an option to deactivate your Instagram account. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.